What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick review on the Bauer Multi-Pod 6-in-1 tripod selfie stick. This is what I've been using to shoot all my videos and all my reviews so far. So this functions as a desktop tripod, a GoPro mount, a camera tripod, and also a selfie stick. And opening the box, we got a pretty nice presentation here. Shows you how the tripod can be mounted, how you can mount your GoPro or your iPhone. But let's go ahead and open it up right now. It comes with a small instruction manual for those that may want to read it. It also comes with a charging cable for the remote. So this remote is supposed to come in handy, especially if you are using this as a selfie stick or a desktop tripod. If you're quite a bit of distance away from your phone, you can connect this Bluetooth remote to your phone, your Android or your iPhone, and once you click it, you can actually take a picture or start recording, or do a time lapse if that's what you were using it for. It does come with the necessary accessories for mounting a GoPro, and it also does come with the phone mount as well. So the phone mount is just fine. I would consider going with a third-party phone mount on Amazon if that was possible. And here we have the selfie stick. It is mostly made out of plastic and just a metal interior, the screw-on piece to mount your phone. And this is how it goes on. So I did find that if you were using this as a desktop tripod or even as a camera tripod or a selfie stick, I did find it a little bit difficult to get that precise position that you really wanted with this selfie stick. Sometimes the ball head would just move around a little bit. So if you were in a time sensitive position or placing where you really had to pull out the selfie stick to take a quick picture, record a video at a wedding or at an event, or because you saw something, it may take a few minutes to set up to make sure you have the right positioning. To be honest, most people would just prefer to just whip out their phone and just press record. But this may require a little bit of patience. Now, once you get your phone mounted, this selfie stick is about 7 inches tall, and it goes up to about 36 inches, which is a pretty decent height if you're going to be using this on your desktop or on a dresser for whatever reason. But you do have to be a bit watchful because this thing can tip over pretty easily. So if you do have a heavier phone like an iPhone Max or one of the Note Ultra phones, you have to be super watchful because once this gets tipped over, your phone is gone. I think the Bauer 6-in-1 tripod is a good option, especially if you're just looking for something to go to a wedding, if there's a family event, and you do want to keep a little bit of distance from people, to take a quick picture. This is a good option. The little remote that's on it, you do have to be very close to your phone to use that little remote. Sometimes I have to come super close to my camera or my phone just to even get the remote to start to sync with the phone to start recording. But this is a good option in terms of selfie stick, especially if you're someone, you just want something to kind of be on your desk for those meetings on Zoom, for those meetings on FaceTime. This is a good option, especially it's built like a tripod, but it can't hold like a boom mic. You could attach one to it, but the slightest tap to this will knock it over. And this coming in at about, well, I got it for 16 bucks at Best Buy, but this coming in at about, I think it's $20 retail, and your phone being some $1,000 odd, this isn't the option that you wouldn't want your phone tipping over and breaking. But this is a good buy. I think anyone that's starting out or anyone that would like something to hold their phone while they record instead of the holding your own phone out, I think this is a good option. I would strongly consider this. There is the Joby tripod, this being 15 and the Joby being about 60, or they also have like this complete set that's about 100. I would definitely go with this instead, especially if you just need this for temporary, just for a temporary solution. But if you know that you desperately need a selfie stick, you're going to be using it every day. If you want to go spend the 60 on the Joby one, sure, go ahead. But this did the job for me just fine. I had it for about 2 weeks. I was able to upgrade to a mini tripod. Let me know if you want to see the review for the mini tripod in the comments. But yeah, if you like content like this, go ahead, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching. Over and out.